Today, we will demonstrate how to create a new conference bridge in the Frequency web portal. Once logged in, hover over the Applications tab and click Conferences. To create a new conference, click the Add button. From here, we need to assign a name, the extension to dial in with, and an optional PIN. The profile, flags, and order can be left as is. Make sure to set Enabled to True and add a description. When you're done, click Save. Simply dial the extension from your phone to access the conference.